Hello everyone. My name is Sharina and this is Creativity on a Dime. For today's video, we will be remaking my coffee station area. I decided to dedicate one drawer, one full cabinet, and one small countertop space for this station. We will be presenting my different K-cups that I use, the teas that I drink, a small section for my kids' hot chocolate, as well as some to-go containers and cups for my guests whenever they come over and they want to take some drinks home with them. So if you're not already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that bell for future notifications. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get started. Everything shown here was purchased at the Container Store. I also have some canisters and some canning jars that I purchased either from HomeGoods or Target. I'll make sure to list all of this in the description box below. Now we're just going to clean out my drawer, start placing some of these bins in there, and add some of the items for those bins into the drawer.
Time, just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. Yes, I know how to window, cause it's just my habits. I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits. I'm good, giving her compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight.
Okay, so now we're at the section where I place my baskets and containers into the cabinets, so that way I know how much space I have to work with. One of the baskets will have my to-go cups with the lids and any extra K-cups that I have that could not fit in my drawer. The next basket will have the kids' hot chocolate, as well as some teas that I could not fit in my drawer as well. And lastly, the bigger basket will hold my tea kettle, or my electric tea kettle, I should say, as well as my thermal cup and my shaker for my protein powders. I'm also placing sugar and marshmallows in those canisters, as well as my collagen and my protein powder in those mason jars.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock them down. It's the way we so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things have to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when
I went ahead and changed those lids for the canning jars off camera. I'm using this double-sided tray to hold my metal straws and my spoons. I'm also using it to hold my cocoa and cinnamon powder shakers. As stated, I changed the lids for these canning jars so that way it's an easy pour. I'm using one of the jars for the French vanilla syrup, the other jar for the classic caramel syrup. And in the background there, I have that little honey dish that I've always wanted. I found it at the Container Store and could not help myself to get it. I think this is going to be not only useful, but such a cute little decor piece as well for the counter. And also I added my original sign back into the kitchen. So let's check out these final looks. Alright, you guys, here's the final look of my coffee station area. I forgot to mention earlier, those mason jars on the second shelf are for like my iced coffees. But yeah, you guys, this project did not take long at all. It was very simple, very direct. I love how everything has a place. It's organized for me, my family, and my guests whenever they do come over and want a cup of coffee or a refresher tea or something of that nature. But yeah, you guys, make sure that you like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that bell. And until next time, let's stay creative.